What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? In the box today. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I have got the whiff box for December. I am very, very, very excited. So before I start, for anybody who doesn't know me, I am Lisa. I am the singing Scentsy lady. I am one half of Elegant Essences, which I run with my gorgeous daughter, Sapphire. So if you're watching this on the page, give us a hello. I will be sharing it over to YouTube. So do give us a like, give us a subscribe to our group so we know that you're there, and let us know what you think of everything we post. I meant to put my antlers on. It's Christmas. It's Christmas. There we go. That's better. So I have got this month's whiff box. It literally arrived this morning while I was out singing. So I've come home and literally made myself coffee. I haven't opened it yet. I do know there is an exclusive product in here. If I can open the box, I will share it with you. So I am very, very, very excited. So as we open it up, it says "Scent with Love." How flipping gorgeous is that? Now, these are great. So these are £42 even. I added money to them then. They are £42. Always in here, you get more than what you pay for. Okay. And with this one, and with any of them, you can buy them as a treat for yourself. You could gift them because they literally come boxed, ready to go. So how amazing is that? So let's see. We always get a little bit of info. If I can get it out the box. Here we go. Oh, that is your sneak peek of what we've got coming. It says merry everything. Merry everything. I love that. So there is so much holiday spirit nestled inside your December whiff box. These hand-picked products give a festive twist to familiar scents like peppermint and pine needles. Oh, let fragrance lead the way to a holiday season filled with merriment and joy. How gorgeous is that? So there we have it. Merry everything. We'll have a little sneaky peek. Oh, look what's in there. So we have got, first up, this is the exclusive product. So you may remember we had poinsettia fragrance flowers in our holiday collection. They were so super popular. I am going to try and open this without breaking the box. There we go. They are so pretty. Poinsettias are obviously beautiful at Christmas. I always have mine, and look how gorgeous that is. So there is the poinsettia fragrance flower, and then that sits in a pot of oil. And what's really exclusive, so not only can you not get the poinsettia flowers anymore, this is exclusive to the whiff box, and it's candy cane buttercream. Oh my flipping goodness, this makes me so excited. It combines my two favorite fragrances. So this is like a peppermint and vanilla. Oh my word, how flipping amazing. So candy cane buttercream is the oil. Let me quickly show you, just in case you've never seen one of our flowers before. So you get a little little cap to go around the top of it. I won't take the oil, take it all off now for you, but I will show you it set up. And there you go. So there's the pot of oil. Looks like that. And that, you can remove the label and everything. So you don't have to leave the label on if you don't want to, or you can. It's up to you. And then that just sits in the top. And then the fragrance gets sucked up into the flower, and then it releases into the air, and beautiful. It's a reed diffuser. It's effectively a reed diffuser, but our incredible version of a reed diffuser. So there we go. That is the exclusive product in our whiff box this month. Let's see what else comes in the whiff box. Oh, so sticking with the candy cane, this time it's cranberry and candy cane, cranberry and candy cane in pods. Now, if you haven't got had pods or seen pods before, these go in our fan devices. So we've got a mini fan, we've got a wall fan, we've got the Scentsy Go, we have got the air purifier. All of these, you pop these in and a little fan in the device goes up. These are filled with like beads, wax beads in here, and as the air goes through them, it releases the fragrance. So if you're worried about having a wax spillage somewhere, then these are perfect. Oh my goodness, I'm wafting it around. It smells amazing. So this is fruity and minty. That is very, very, very good. So that's cranberry and candy cane. This one is candy cane buttercream. Lots of candy canes involved. So there we go. So those are pods. So you get a pack of 2 pods in there, and each pod lasts about 120 hours. So you've got 240 hours minimum worth of fragrance in there. We have then got one of our Christmas fragrances. This is Golden Garland. I think this is quite fresh. So I think this is the piney one. Let's see if I can open it. I can't open it. My hands are freezing cold after driving home from music. My hands are very, very cold. And it is quite chilly in the office at the moment. Yes, it's definitely got a fresh piney fragrance. But quite a warm freshness. Does that make sense? Difficult to explain. That is really beautiful. Really, really beautiful fragrance. So that is Golden Garland. So you've got a bar of wax there. So what we have, we've had a fragrance flower, we've got pods, we've got a wax bar. Oh, now I am very excited to smell this. This is Candy Orchard. Candy Orchard. Now this is a sneak peek because this is actually the scent of the month in January. So this is January's scent of the month, and I can't wait to get my nose in this. I like anything candy fragrances. Ooh. Trying to think, there's a fragrance, it reminds me of something, but I don't know. So there's definitely a lovely sweetness to it. I think there's a bit of floral in there as well. That's nice. So that's Candy Orchard. There might be some, let me sniff again because there might be some vanilla. There's definitely a sweetness. It might be vanilla in there as well. And almost like a floral feel to it. There we go, Candy Orchard. I always expected that to be appley. Did I get any apple from that? There might be a little bit of fruitiness to it as well. It's quite a mix, but it's definitely sweet. So that is Candy Orchard. And then we've got one of our scent packs, and this is Polar Bear Hugs. How gorgeous. So the scent packs simply get popped in our buddies, or you can pop them in your knicker drawer, anything like that. So there we have it. That is this month's Whiff Box. How flipping amazing. You get the exclusive fragrance flower in Candy Cane Buttercream. You get the pods in Cranberry candy cane. Oh my goodness. You get 2 bars of wax. You get the brand new Candy Orchard. You get Golden Garland. And you get a scent pack. How flipping amazing. So if you think about it, like I said at the beginning, you could do this as a gift to yourself, a little treat. You could gift the entire box to somebody, or you could get it and break it up. Have, say, the flower for yourself and gift out the waxes, or the pods for yourself and gift out everything else. The flower would make a beautiful present on its own. So all sorts of ideas that you can do with this box. But it is definitely, definitely, definitely worth grabbing this one at £42. If I'm local to you and you'd like me to order for you, let me know, and I will be putting an order in at the weekend. Or if you are further afield, I will pop the link in this video and you can order direct off our webpage if you would like one. If you order direct, we always send a little thank you through the post to you as well. Right, I'm going to get off. Take care, my lovelies. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Loads and loads of love, and I'll speak to you very, very soon. Bye.